How to clear Windows 7 cache and clearing DNS cache. There are several caches in Windows that are used to temporarily store files for quick retrieval. When these caches get too bloated, they can cause performance problems and connectivity issues. To watch how to clear your memory, DNS, thumbnail, and browser caches. Number 1. Make a shortcut. You have probably noticed that the longer your computer or laptop runs, it gradually slows down due to idle processors. This may eventually force you to restart the computer. You can create a shortcut on your desktop to free up unused RAM and speed up your computer without the need of restarting. You can run this shortcut anytime your computer starts to slow down. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and select New ? Shortcut. Number 2. Type in the location. A window will appear asking you to locate the shortcut that you have created. You will need to know if your copy of Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. Copy and paste one of the following lines depending on your version and then click Next. For 32-bit, enter this time. For 32-bit, enter this text. For 64-bit, enter this text. Number 3. Name the shortcut. After you have pressed the next button, the window will ask you to type in the shortcut name. You can assign any name you want. When you are done, press Finish. Number 4. Open the shortcut. Now that you have successfully created the shortcut, every time your computer's performance slows up, open the shortcut to clear the unused RAM. The shortcut examines your current processes and ends any unused ones that are taking up your memory. Number 5. Open command prompt. If you are experiencing connection issues, your DNS cache may be corrupt or out. Manually flushing it is a quick process and can solve a lot of your connection woes. Click Start, the window icon at the bottom left of your screen, and then type Command Prompt in the search bar. Right-click on the command prompt and then click Run as Administrator. Running the command prompt as administrator is important since we will be deleting cache that can be found in the folder systems. Number 6. Enter the flush DNS command. To flush the DNS cache, type IP configuration or flush DNS and press Enter. You will see a message saying successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. If you have entered it correctly, close the command prompt. Number 7. Try connecting to the internet again. If you are still having difficulty loading websites, then the problem may lie elsewhere. See this for more information on troubleshooting network connectivity problems.